This is the machine, and this is the controller. This one is to start the machine. This one is release the alarm. This one is clear the material, and this one is the power on. This is the signal. And for the controller, the setting, we have a parameter for different capacity. You see, 8 tons per hour. You set like this, 7 tons per hour, 6 tons. So according to this parameter, all others will be automatically. For example, each one. This one quantity to set it also means the capacity per hour. For example, your capacity is 8 tons per hour. So you set 8, then press enter. So now the capacity is 8 tons per hour. And according to this parameter, this is the initial value for 8 tons per hour, 2,600. This one is for this one open, for the value of open. So you set this one. 2,600. Yeah, press enter. Yeah. So the next one is ADJ plus and ADJ minus. Also we have this ADJ plus, ADJ minus, 200 and 150. This one 200. This one 150. So, and the next one is the 目标值吧，好，这目标值。This final. For 8 tons per hour, we set this one as 25 kg. 确定。Press enter. 按铃。那也可以。25 kg. 25 kg. Press enter. Okay. So the next one is SP1. SP1 is this one 10, and CPS is 1.